Hi guys, so on the way up to Hallin Fell in Cumbria. This is the first time out while camping with the Tentipi Olivin CP. So we get up the hill and see how we get on. Quite warm, a little bit windy, the sun's coming out, so let's see what happens. See you later guys. So it's just gone 5:45 AM. Last night was windy as hell, and around 11 PM started raining till about 3-4 AM this morning. I'll just turn the camera on now and give you some views from the top of Hallin Fell. Look at that for a sunrise now guys. Wow, that is unbelievable. Absolutely beautiful. So we've got my Cedar Summit sleeping quilt with my Cedar Summit sleeping pad and pillow, and if we turn on round this way, we've got my cooking gear and my drone. The water's almost boiled and we're getting ready for a nice Kenko cappuccino. That's me all packed up. It's 7:45. Short walk back down to the car. Just wanted to show you that I've left no trace. I've actually picked some broken bottles up that some tramps left here. So as you can see, nothing here where I've been camping. Let's keep Cumbria beautiful as it should be. Anyway, that's me done, so see you next time.